Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
Hey y'all, welcome to a new day of Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas. Today we have a couple of things on the docket. So I am needing to make a list for everything I need to have done before we leave. And then number two, I know particularly I want to separate my clothes and wash them. And tonight I do have a workout class tonight. It's gonna be my last one for a while, so I did want to go to it. And then yeah, I want to get my clothes washed. I also need to go to Sally's again and buy something else for my hair. I need to go downstairs and get my rubber based gel nail polish I brought from Amazon. Oh, I didn't show y'all what else I got from Amazon. Hold on. So they said this cuticle oil was like, it had like 4.7 on Amazon. Milk and honey cuticle oil, and it's by this it's this cuticle oil by this brand. It's in the smell or scent mint and honey, milk and honey, and it smells really good, y'all. I got the small one because I didn't know if I really, was gonna like it, but it smells really good. It smells so good to me. And then I also got this easy peel off quick air dry perfect skin barrier protector liquid nail latex set. So like I said, I have a builder gel. I'm trying to grow my nails out and basically strengthen them, and I found that builder gel does that, and it's like a rubber based gel, I believe. So I'm trying that one out, and then I do have a brand that I want to try after I start getting comfortable with using builder gel, but I know their brand is like, to get one builder gel nail polish here, it costs $30. So I want to make sure I know what I'm doing. I got a cheap one from Amazon, but it did have good reviews, so I wanted to try that one out. And right now, let me see my nails clean. These are how my nails look. These are the longest my nails has ever been, y'all. I kid you not. Cause my nails they're not strong. They're not strong at all. So for my nails to be looking like this, even these two, this one looks terrible. But they're growing like this. I think it's because I changed my diet. I'm pretty sure that's why my nails look like they look. Cause there's nothing else changed but that. So and I hardly wear nails or anything. So my nails is like, they're growing, girl. I also need to make sure I get my laptop set up this week. I was able to transfer all my files on my first work laptop to what I need to transfer them to. But that closet needs to be clean. I need to do a deep clean of my bathroom. I need to do a deep clean of the bedroom. I need to wash Niles stuff. We need to wash Niles. And I need to start packing. I need to do my nails. I need to do my hair, dyeing my hair, of course. And I need to go get a wax, which I need to make the appointment today. I was supposed to make it yesterday, but I did not make it because procrastinated. So what else I need to do? Yeah, and I need to pack. I need to clean up under that sink in my bathroom and all that hair stuff, because it's been got out of hand. So I need to go in and declutter that. So y'all will be seeing all of that. So yeah, and I need to take that stuff back to Old Navy, but I need to drop it off at Staples. So that's what we doing, y'all. That's what's going on. So I'm about to go separate these clothes. I'm gonna write this list down so I don't forget it, and we gonna get it done. Again, happy Vlogmas. If you've been tuned in for however long you've been tuned in, I hope you enjoyed this content. I'm grateful for everyone who's liking and watching, and let's get into the rest of this video.
Oh, we're trying to let it go.
So I wanted to come in and end off the vlog for today. As y'all seen, I went to work out at my workout class and it was so much fun. It was just me and my instructor in there, so it was like so much fun and so much room. I'm not going to see him until next year, and I just went ahead and canceled my class pass, and I'll just start it up at the beginning of the year when I get back. I've got through all the clothes that I showed y'all that I had sorted out. Right now my head is itching so bad, y'all. I need to wash. It's been almost 2 weeks and I'm not washing it until this weekend. And it's itching because I was literally sweating in class today. So right now my black clothes are in the dryer and my white clothes are in the washing machine still. They're done washing, but I just have to wait till the black clothes dry because it was so many of them. Okay, so I'm gonna take that out and fold those too, and then tomorrow we're gonna redo my closet because that was one of the things on my list I wanted to make sure I did before I left. So that's the goal, and hopefully we make it to Staples to return this Old Navy package because I've been saying that for a minute now. But I just want to come in and close out the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog so far, and I hope y'all are enjoying Vlogmas. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow, Guru Gang. Bye.